What are we doing here? I'm gonna be personally flying to some DSD clients with the restorations done, ceramic restorations finished, to try them in person and finish the case together with the dentist. Basically back to my roots. Another huge advantage is that if there is any type of modification needed, I'm going prepared to make these modifications the same way that I used to do in the past. So try in if there's a missing contact point, if there is a problem on the emergence profile, if we need to close a black triangle, if we need to open some space for the papilla, if we need to change the emergence profile of an implant abutment, if we need to add a little corner, length, reshape, reduce, whatever is needed. Any of these modifications can be done by me chairside, so we can still do the modification and finish the case on the same day. That is the goal, right? That we can save the case at that moment and finish the case on the same moment. Everywhere I go, we ask the dentist to be prepared for that by having a ceramic oven and lab handpiece. That's all I need, a ceramic oven and a lab handpiece. I'm bringing my material, I'm bringing my ceramics, I'm bringing my stains, I'm bringing my brushes, so I can work chairside on the bench a little bit, do the modifications. Modifications can take 5 minutes up to an hour if we need to add ceramics. And then we try it again. Hopefully everything is great. The dentist can cement the case, finish the case, and then we can make the final photos, interact with the patient, and enjoy the moment of celebration with the patient. Okay, so from 27 things that need to go right, 2 already are good. So we are 25 out of 27. This implant system here is not sold in Europe, so we couldn't get the analogs. Needed the Thai basis components in Europe, so design manufactured there. Components were sent here, and we are trying them together for the first time. Of course, they usually work, but if it doesn't, then it's a big mess. We lose the crown, or we need to start trimming from inside, trying to make it fit. But as you can see here, How they fit? Yeah. This is amazing. How these digital files with different machines all over the world. I remember 10 years ago when we started to talk about this, there was no way I could use one printer in Madrid, one brand, another one here, one piece comes here, the other piece comes there, 1 milling machine, you mill all these pieces together and you put them together and things are just fitting. Usually. 99% of the time.
When they don't, we just say.
Now this practice did something very nice. They brought Dr. Eduardo to help us, and he has something very cool that I'm thinking about making it a mandatory requirement every time I come to try in. He actually has a mobile lab, full equipped lab. Look at this. It makes me feel like wanting to work more as a technician.
We 3D print. It takes about 20 minutes to print. And in Onyx, we have all the different resins there. And I deliver that. If I don't like something for whatever reason, I can rescan or redesign on the spot. And it's an extra, 45 minutes. And the idea.
Do you have the photogrammetry here?
Yeah, I do. It's in the back.
If this bridge doesn't work.
Oh no! What do you think I'm here? What do you think I'm here?
Okay.
She can't survive without me.
Okay, I saw that already. So she needs to see the color, right?
She needs to see the color. She needs something that she hasn't mentioning it, but she mentioned to me about the length. She was when I had the temps, it was like the same shade as this. Now she's like, can we make them the same length? I'm like, no. Same length.
The lowers.
No, uppers.
Uppers.
So let's convince her that that's not a thing. That's
okay.
not
She wants the central same as the left, like straight, flat.
Yes.
Okay.
Flat. And I said no.
The two front ones a little longer than the side ones.
Yeah.
What I think it's nice, makes it a younger smile, right? Instead of everything even. Also like hers. So you have this little, give me a big smile. You have to like it from here on the mirror, but also from a video of you, because you see things on the video that you don't see on the mirror.
Very nice. Okay.
So they can always be brighter, they can always be darker.
How can you make it darker?
We can
With a paint?
change the, yeah.
If I don't take them out.
Oh yeah.
I don't care what color it is.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been doing this for 30 years and I'm still learning. And of course, we know it's obvious, it sounds cliche, but learning is forever. Unfortunately, many times as we get good at something, our brain starts to play this trick with us, saying that we don't need to learn anymore because we are already good. So it's a daily exercise to keep your brain open, this beginner's mind, to continue to learn always and ever. And this is what I try to do. Listen, see, observe, watch. And above all, what I like to do, the exercise, is interpret what you're seeing and connecting what you're seeing to your decision that brought you to there. And by connecting the decisions and the procedures that you choose to do in the past, comparing to the results, that's how I learn. So it's not only about observing the result, but connecting to your decisions to hopefully make better decisions next time. And in the next episode, it's time to go back into the details that will make a great case become an even greater case. That final 5% quality push depends on us working in the patient's mouth.